Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a phone number with AT&T step by step clearly. To transfer your phone number with AT&T, begin by gathering necessary information. Ensure you have your current account number from your existing carrier. Next, confirm the account holder's name and address as it appears on the current account. Now, have your social security number or PIN ready for verification? Visit the AT&T website or go to your nearest AT&T store. If you're online, select Input your phone number and follow the on-screen prompts. When asked, enter your current carrier details and your account information. Make sure to select the same phone number you wish to transfer. Review the information you provided for accuracy. Confirm your request to transfer the number. You may receive a confirmation email or text regarding the transfer status. If transferring in-store, show your current carrier information to the representative. They will assist you in completing the process. After submitting your request, wait for a notification from AT&T. The transfer may take a few hours or up to a day to process. Once completed, your phone number will be active on your new AT&T account. Test your phone by calling and receiving calls to ensure the transfer was successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.